Oh, Happy New Year. Good morning. Look at this great stuff. This is Farmer James. This is my first episode of Mountainside Beekeeping. Yeah, I know it's cold out here this morning. Hanging out here with my four-legged mutt. About to go look at my honeybees. Yeah, we got snow. Yeah, it's weird. 3 days ago, 40s. Look at today. Yeah, I'm just being careful walking down the stairs. Just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today, January 2nd. Probably figure out what my plans will be coming this year, January 2, 2025. My goals this year are to finish the master's beekeeping program at Cornell University. I also will be doing a project, participating in that at Penn State through the program is called Drone, or Dude. It's about drones specifically, put on at Penn State by a great professor. I'll give you her name tomorrow. I just wanted to talk today a little bit. I'm Farmer James. James Key is my real name, but I go by Farmer James. I am a Vermont certified beekeeper. I've been in Vermont for 37 years. I've been a Vermont beekeeper since 2017. 4 years ago, I decided to focus on mountainside beekeeping. Specifically, because I live in the mountains now. Used to live in the Champlain Valley many moons ago. But today, a little bit about me. Yes, like I said, I'm a Vermont certified beekeeper. I'm also on the board of directors of the Vermont Beekeepers Association. I also won Educator of the Year last year with the association. And my honey was best cream honey in North America 2 years ago. I work with Carniolan species. I also work with Russian bees and mutt bees of both of them in version, and it goes pretty good. Now walk with me and we'll try to take a look at my bees. Yeah, you see my dog back there somewhere. Yep, there she is. There's London. She loves the snow as much as I do. Yeah, there she goes. Yes, she does. She loves the snow. But as you see, this is what she does. She loves the snow. So do I. But I also, where'd you go? Well, there you go. Yeah, so there she is. Oh, look at me putting my hand in. I'm getting used to this stuff. My hands are freezing. Like I said, it was 40-something degrees 2 days ago, and now look at what we have here. And as you see behind me, those are my beehives. They're covered up. And there she is running around doing what she does best. Oh yeah, let's take a walk over and see. Let's take a walk over and see what the bees are doing. Yeah, London, you want to say hi to the crowd? Huh? You want to say hi to the crowd? Yeah, she's like, what are you doing? Look at this. Believe it or not, folks, this was almost bare yesterday. And today it's, as you see, the goodness. Yep, this is it. These are my beehives. I'm doing a little bit of condensing, but as you see, not totally wrapped. I leave the front open with just black. It's black tarp all the way around. Also, it has thick foam board insulation, giving it a great R value. I will share that information with you later. Today's just a meet and greet and see how things go. My fingers are freezing. I will be learning about this project a little bit more when I do in the winter. But like I said, just hanging out here in the snow. This girl, trying to make sure that these girls here survive. Oh, you don't want to see that. Edit that out. Yep, we'll move right along. That was a pretty picture. But yeah, well, enough for now. I'll talk with you later. Have a good day.